Good morning. Hope everybody's having a good day. I wanted to let you guys know of something that I found out. So on Google Classroom. So when I usually grade on Google Classroom, those people that don't turn anything in, when I transfer it over to AERIES, it just marks it as missing. And recently, when I was transferring grades, the first couple of grades that I put into the grade book, I noticed when they didn't turn anything in, it just gave them a 0%. It didn't mark it as missing. I wanted to change that. I wanted to put it back how it was. So let me go ahead and show you how to change that back to the way it was originally if you want to do that. So I'm going to go right here into one of my classes. I go into settings right here on the upper right hand corner, and I scroll down and I go down to where it says right here, draft grade for missing assignments. So it says automatically apply a draft grade to missing assignments. They automatically put a 0. I don't want it to put a 0 because if you put it if it transfers over to a 0 on AERIES, it's not going to put it as missing. It's just going to give them a 0. So I'd rather have it as missing personally. So I'm going to click that off. I'm going to click save, and that way that won't happen anymore. Okay, so just a little quick FYI if that's something that you might want to keep the way it was last year. Okay, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.